Hello, my genius minds. Once again, welcome back to enlightening session of Aptitude and Reasoning Grade 6, and this is mathematical operations. So most of the time, we get stuck up when we see more than one mathematical operation given together in an expression. And one of them is here, which Sadia and Iqbal are doing, and they are a bit confused. So come, let's help them. And we see that here we have minus, division, multiply and addition all together. And in such situation, we follow the law of BODMAS. So what does BODMAS says? Bracket first. B stands for bracket. And we don't have bracket over here. So we move to the next step. Then we have off. Off operation says that we have the exponent. We do not have exponent here. And next comes division. So let's look if we have division here. Exactly, this is the first operation that you will perform. And 24 divided by 3. 3 8 time is 24, and the remaining part will be written as it is. Understood? And after this, we get multiplication. So is there any multiplication? That's great. That is 8 times 8 becomes 64. So expression is getting simplified every time you perform the operation. Now we have addition. So what will be added? 16 and 54 are added and we get 70, and then 70 minus 64, we got 6 as the correct answer. So Sadia is so happy when she understood the concept and she got 6 as the right answer following a systematic pattern which Junaid has explained her. So in this way, when you solve the questions related to mathematical operations, it helps you to become more accurate, more prompt, and regular practice is going to make you a fast calculator, and that is a reason you excel in your academics as well. So now let's see few questions ahead. Here we'll be doing the division first. So we get 2, and this is multiplication. We write 8 and very nice, we get 4. So what is the sum here? That's 14. Beautiful. Let's try the next one, which is the first operation. Great going. This is 6 divided by 6. We get 1 and we write plus 8 plus 4. This is minus and we get 6 plus 8, right? So what is 6 plus 8? That is 14, and 14 minus 1 becomes 13. And 13 plus another 12. What is the result? That's 25. Good going. Beautiful. Clapping for you. And here we'll do this division. So 18 divided by 9 is 2, 2 times 3, and then we write 2 plus 4. Then we do the multiplication, we get 6 plus 2, that's 8, and plus 4. So your final answer is 12. Wonderful. Now can you try doing the next one yourself? Here we have 2 division operations, so we'll do them in one step. This will turn to 4, and 3 divided by 1 is 3. And then 4 is multiplied by it. After finding the product of these 3 numbers, we'll be adding 2 to it and we'll get the answer. So I think you are getting confident. Now question of another category. Here I am just replacing the symbols of operations. So the question says minus stand for division. Wherever we are looking minus, let's make it division sign, right? So this is again division and this is again division. Now let's check. Can we divide 20 by 12? So I think this won't be possible. Can we divide 6 by 20? Again, the answer is no. So this won't be your answer. Again, 20 cannot be divided by 12. So we cross it, and 7 can be divided by 1. So this is one of the possibility. Let's try other symbols. Plus is for multiplication. So wherever plus is coming, we use the sign of multiplication. Division is for subtraction. So this changed to subtraction sign, and multiplication is for addition. This becomes addition. Now let's try solving it. We get 6 minus 20. So 12 times 7 is 84, and now if you add 84 and 6, that becomes 90 minus 20, and here we got the right answer. So this is how we deduce the answer, by removing most of the formulas that are given, and it simplifies and reduces your calculation time. Now let's come to next example. Here K means minus, L stands for divided by, that is division, M is for plus, and D is for multiplication. Now we could see the 4 alphabets are written here. We have first replaced these alphabets with the symbol, like L is division, then K is subtraction, we have M for addition, and D for multiplication. And now applying BODMAS, we first solve 117 divided by 3. So we got 39, and then we write 12 times 8, which becomes 96. Now the question is simplified. We'll first add 96 and 32, it becomes 135, and on subtracting 5 from it, we got the answer, that's 130, and C becomes your correct option. Now we have next question here. Minus stands for plus. Plus symbol indicates multiplication, and multiplication indicates minus sign. And the question is that which of these are not correct answer. That means after changing the sign, you are going to solve the left side of the equation. Like here I have did it for the first part, and we got it equal to 148. Then I tried for the second part, exactly we got 228, and further we tried for the third part, again we got 87, which is equal to the right side of the equation, but the fourth answer is not correct. So we say the fourth one is odd one out, and that becomes your right option. Moving ahead with the exercise now. So we have different category of question. The first one is changing of the symbol and then finding the value. I believe you can do it now, and more questions of the same pattern are here. Just only one instruction for you: do not haze. Make sure you hold a pencil in your hand and replace whatever symbol changing instructions are given, and a new equation will be formed. Then follow the BODMAS rule and start doing the calculations. Having more questions like this where alphabets are to be replaced by mathematical operations. So if you look here, we don't find any mathematical operations, but the alphabets are to be replaced by those symbols, and then the calculation will be done. And apart from that, in few questions we don't have alphabets, but we have special characters, and these special characters will represent some of the mathematical operations. So you will be performing them, but only thing required is a little patience and believe in yourself, because these questions are so simple. Only decoding of certain symbols will be done, and the rest all is just a easy cup of tea. So start doing it and stay tuned for the next video.